All right, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to animate something in Premiere Pro and create motion blur. Now, usually that's a skill only in After Effects, or at least I thought so, until I found this easy method to do it. Normally, when you would animate something, right, you'd put these keyframes in here, and you would just basically go right on the item. This is a PNG of a chalkboard. Let me just open this up here a little bit more so you could see better. So this is the PNG of a chalkboard, right? And I've got my keyframes on here for position, right? That's how you would normally do it. I'm going to delete this though because you don't get motion blur with that, right? So the first thing you're going to want to do, it's very easy. You just create a new adjustment layer and essentially put that on top of your PNG. Now, anything below that adjustment layer is going to be affected by this. So you're going to search in effects for transform, and you're going to drag that onto your adjustment layer. Now, within transform, you've got a couple different settings. The biggest one here is going to be shutter angle. So change that from 0 to 360, okay? And then you're going to animate the adjustment layer, not the PNG. So I'm going to put a keyframe down here for position, right? And then that's where I want it to end. And then I'm going to move to the beginning, and I'm going to move it to the beginning. And you can see already it's blurring. Isn't that awesome? You can see it's calculating what that's going to look like. And now I hit play, and boom, it animates, and it blurs in with some motion blur. That's it. It's that simple. It's so fast. Now, you can make it a little smoother. I want that animation to be a little quicker, so I'm going to move the keyframe over a bit. And then you can click on the keyframe, right-click on that keyframe, and go to Temporal Interpolation and go to Ease In. That'll smooth the animation in a little bit smoother, right? But we can go one step further and make it even smoother than that by clicking on the caret here under Position. Now, grab that little bar under the graph here and just drag it down and in, and then drag the other one down and in, and you'll create this perfect bell curve, okay? And now when it animates, it is perfectly smooth. It looks awesome. You could use this for logos. You could use this for anything that's flipping into the screen, and it just looks freaking cool. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope it works for you. It's a super easy solution. Transform in the Effects tab on top of an adjustment layer. Like, comment, subscribe on this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.